been the design of the standard for the gliding competition in the Olympic Games. And what we'll do, as and when they come back to display, is let you listen to the sound of the gliders as they display. The radar kite now orbiting above you is very significant because this aircraft was used to calibrate radar during the war. Obviously, being all wood, it would have no reflection, so you could put a transmitter in it and that could be used to calibrate radar. Now, it's very graceful. I'll wait until it gets a bit closer to the ground. There we go, flying without power but with lots and lots of grace.
Built for the civil market, first flew in 1937, impressed into our air service for a variety of reasons. With this particular aircraft, a very specialist role used for testing a chain home low radar system to see whether or not they could see incoming gliders. What's really interesting is the Olympia glider, the blue one you see at the rear of this formation, developed from a DFS design. Now, DFS designed most of the assault gliders for the German forces during the Second World War. Hans Jacobs designed this particular aircraft, and gliding in that day and age was an Olympic sport. And the Olympia aircraft had actually been selected as the mount for the competition for the 1940 Summer Olympics. Yeah, quite something. Quite something. After their wartime use, most of the Kirby kites were passed to the Air Training Corps. Taking sterling service as trainers for some of the young pilots who later went on into the Royal Air Force.
Yeah. Any fancy glide in the no ages? Any fancy glide in the age? Sure the architects did that. He did it around for us.
Elliot's attempt to exploit them. Let's watch them come in now. First, there's the kite. Leave it in control. Very nicely down the unit, although it's tricky after. A beautiful aircraft to fly apparently. And you couldn't look better than that, could you?
I like side-by-side seating, by the way. If you're wondering where I stand on the whole tandem versus side-by-side, I like side-by-side.